Hey, Troy Miner here, and I'm really excited to share this video with you. If you are involved in any kind of a work from home business, whether it be affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct selling, you're really going to want to pay attention as I get ready to demonstrate something that as of today, very few people even know exist. In fact, as of right now, the only people that know that this exists are the people that are using this product. So give me your full undivided attention for the next few minutes. If this excites you, I want you to think about how you can apply what it is that you're getting ready to see to your business right now, the many benefits that you will gain from it, and how you'll be able to close more sales. So this image that you're looking at right now, this is a profile picture of a gentleman that I had the privilege of meeting and indirectly working with many years ago, a highly successful network marketer and multiple millionaire. But I took a screenshot of his profile picture, and what I did after I took the screenshot is I loaded it into this new program. Now this just launched. It's called Social2lead. Social2lead. And I uploaded this image into the back office of this system. As it says here, as you can see, uploaded successfully. And then all that I did after that was I came down here and I clicked on Add Contact. And let's take a look at what happens. Now, I'm going to pause the video just for a moment because this is going to take probably about a minute for this information to load up. So it took, as I said, about a minute for this to load up into this system. But I want you to pay attention because this Social2lead product is the latest addition to the Nowsite family. It's under the Nowsite umbrella, and it's a part of the Nowsite Navigator tool, also known as Nowsite Nav, which was introduced to the public, I want to say maybe about 5 weeks ago, right? I could be wrong, but about 5 weeks ago. So look at what happened, right? A minute into this information that I'm getting ready to share with you was loaded up into the system. Now, this is a personality report, right? Look at this. About Steve. Enthusiastic, adaptable, personable, likely to be personable, energetic, and forward-thinking, often considering opportunities for the future. Then it goes into the behavior. A people person who is more likely to be interested in a product that you are personally excited about. Explain how you use the product and tie the pitch back to your personal experience to help them feel more like the product is worthwhile. So not only do I have that information, but check out what pops up over here on the left. Now, that phone number, knowing a lot about Steve, that's his office manager. If you call, that's who you're going to get. So I'm not sharing his personal phone number in any way, but look at what it has to say, right? It highlights this information. Steve Thompson is a national consultant at Independent Ambit Marketing Energy Consultant. He studied marketing at Texas State University and lives in Tennessee. He is originally from Austin, Texas. Steve is recognized as a leading authority in network marketing and has achieved the highest promotion level with Ambit Energy. His social media presence includes a Facebook page, LinkedIn profile, Twitter account. He has skills in entrepreneurship, leadership, coaching, marketing, and more. Now, just think for a second. And I'm just going to scroll this page so you could see all this information, right? All of this information, booking a meeting, pain points, giving the pitch, presentations, building rapport, problem approach, urgency and pace, handling competition, right? So you got all of that in this report. And then I'm able to create a customized sales plan using this AI to share my opportunity. Now, why is this relevant? Here's why it's relevant. I don't have to buy any co-op, any leads, any paid ads. I don't have to do Facebook ads, solo ads. Right now, I'm not knocking any of these things. What I'm saying is that I don't have to. And if you think about the logic, when you're buying solo ads, and I use this as an example, right? I have no problem with paid traffic at all, and I know a lot of paid traffic providers that are really, really good. But think about it. The majority of people, when you buy traffic and they see your lead capture page, they enter their name, their email address, right? They go watch your videos. You do realize that the majority of these people that are opting into your page are tire kickers. Many of them are time wasters. They are not looking to spend any money whatsoever into what it is that you have. This is the reason why it takes usually multiple emails for that individual to receive for them to make a decision. Either I'm going to do it or I'm not going to do it. And you're building your rapport, you're building your relationship using your email list and having people that can relate to you make a decision to want to come on board with you. How fair and accurate is what it is that I just said. So just imagine for a second having the ability to prospect on your terms, having the ability to actually research the cream of the crop in any business, in any niche, anywhere where there's social media presence, and being able to pull a full detailed personality report and decide, hey, is this person qualified, in my opinion, for me to share my opportunity with? Not everybody is qualified to work with you. Not everybody should be. Just like not everybody is qualified to be your customer, right? I have a bald head. I do not need hair care products for myself, right? So I say that in jest, but you might be saying, well, okay, I can tap into multiple six-figure income earners, seven-figure income earners, just people in general that work, they're family oriented, maybe they make a decent income and they're looking for opportunity. This goes further than that. See, not only am I able to pull up this personality report, but I also, from a click of a button, I'm able to come up with a legitimate sales plan, which is the page you're looking at right now. So I turn the nav on, and the system, the AI bots, are telling me, send a direct message to Steve Thompson introducing yourself without mentioning, so I'm not going to go into all that. But here's the even more impressive than what I just shared with you just now, right? So if I come over here and I click this nav, then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on, what business it is that I want them to see. I click get started, right? This pops up. So I'm just going to put in here regarding Steve, I'm just going to put in here, I haven't talked with Steve in many years. In fact, I'm a bit nervous on how to start a conversation, right? So I'm just going to put that in there. Now I'm going to ask the system to help me. Can you suggest a message to send Steve as an introduction? Right? That's all I'm going to do. Right? Let's just give it a couple of seconds and it's going to go into a further detailed suggestion. Right? So look at this. Hi, Steve. I hope this message finds you well. It's been a while since we last connected, and I've often thought about reaching out to catch up. I remember the good times we shared and would love to hear how you're doing these days. If you're open to it, I'd enjoy the opportunity to reconnect and see where life has taken you. Looking forward to hearing from you. Best, Troy. Now, tell me something. Not only do you have the ability to find anybody and share your opportunity with the most probable interested people to see your offers, right? No sugarcoating it, no tire kickers, no time wasters. You're looking for the cream of the crop. That's the first part. The second part, you've got this Nowsite Nav system that is actually highly intuitive, and there's a whole bunch of different AI bots that are doing different things to bring this about in the most probable way for you to have success. So what if you just did this 5 times a day, 10 times a day? What if you just did that, right? And you knew you didn't have to create your own content. You didn't have to think about what to say or what to do. You'd find the perfect people. And on the other hand, you'd get the most advanced, best AI strategies for having success with this program. And I'll tell you something else. One of our members, I watched a video of this individual today, a very, very likable person. I saw a video where he shared that he just sponsored a millionaire into his business. Guess what? Using Social2lead, the newest part of the Nowsite Nav family. So if you want more information, you want to learn how this works, if you're watching this video on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel right now. Go to my channel, and from the channel page, look for the link that says Nowsite Nav. Click on that link. That's going to bring you to my website where you're going to get more information about this. You're going to see how you can enroll, and most importantly, you'll see how you can get a massive, massive discount on this program. In addition, if you're getting this video as a result of an email, go to my email now. At the very bottom of my email, click on the link that's there. That's going to take you to my Nowsite Nav website page. Reach out to me should you have any questions. If you found some value in this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, I'm Troy, and I really, really look forward to working with many of you. Have an outstanding day.